Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2014 Chevrolet Cruze in a 2LS trim and powered by a 1.8 liter ECOTEC engine, providing with excellent fuel efficiency for getting around. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking into the trunk, which is decently spacious and can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. Underneath this cover, you have your spare tire. Then looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for 3 with fold-out armrests and 2 cup holders in the middle, as well as having a 12-volt power outlet down there. Then looking into the front, where you do have power windows and power locks, you do have manual mirrors. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 96,834 kilometers. And moving on to your, not your steering wheel, but your signal column, which has your cruise controls as well as your screen controls here on it, so you can cycle through your information such as your trip 1 and 2, digital speedometer, fuel used, trip timer, navigation, digital speedometer, and distance to empty, I believe. And then you can also go over your options, look at your service information and settings for your vehicle. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment center, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and auxiliary capable. So you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. Moving down from that, you have your locking buttons, lock and unlock, your hazards, and then your climate controls here. Pretty simple, easy to use. Then you have a little cubby there, and your main shifter with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. Your traction control shut off, and then you have a 12-volt power outlet here, little cubby, 2 cup holders, your parking brake, of course, and your center compartment / armrest, which has some space in it, as well as your auxiliary in, so you can hook up your audio from there. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.